I was scrolling through my TikTok comments one day when I saw one comment that caught my eye. The one that said, "Have you tried putting chocolate element in it? Wait, you can make these butter carnivore snacks with chocolate electrolytes?" I have both of those ingredients. Welcome to Cooking with Kai.
Thank you for joining us today.
Wait, we don't look like
We're ready for this?
legit cooks. I think we need something else.
Our outfit change.
Ready?
Hey!
I think you look pretty good. So our recipe today is super simple. We are trying the viral butter candies that all the carnivores are using, except we're adding our own little spin to it because of that handy little TikTok comment. Thank you for that. So we've got grass-fed butter, Kirkland's brand from Costco, and then we have our Chocolate LMNT Electrolytes.
This is either going to taste like so good or it's going to be disgusting.
It might be super salty.
Well,
I don't know.
I was just about to say that because you got the salt in the butter and then these are already really salty.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Oh, and also it gets saltier when you
True,
cook it.
very true. So we're majorly experimenting today. We'll let you know if it tastes good or doesn't.
We already took a pinky promise, a solemn vow that we're putting this video out there, even if it's disgusting.
If it's terrible. This could be like a Pinterest fail, but
we're putting it out
we're
there.
excited. Shout out to LMNT because I love these things, and they also just came out with a new little chocolate trio. I'll link it in the description. I just bought it yesterday. Haven't tried it yet, but it has 3 different chocolate flavors. So you have like chocolate raspberry, and I'll link it below. And if you want to try a free variety pack, we also have a link for that. So you can get a free variety pack with your first order. So check that out.
Let's do it.
All right. So usually we use a cast iron skillet for everything, but we did find that with these butter candies, they do better in a regular skillet. So I'm gonna get this on kind of like medium. Thank you, Chef Isaac. All right, Isaac, while we wait for this butter to melt, is there anything you'd like to share about the carnivore diet?
I like it.
So I don't know, what do you think? Should I put the element in now? It's melted.
I would think you'd brown it first because how are you going to be able to tell if it's brown if there's brown element in it?
That's a good point. But how are you going to tell that it's dissolved if it's browned?
Got him! Got him!
I think you can see if it's dissolved.
Okay, you win, I'll wait. So we're getting into like the snap, crackle, pop phase is what I like to call it. It starts really bubbling, so you'll start to see it turning brown pretty soon. But there's like a happy medium to being brown and being burnt. You definitely don't want it to be on the burnt side because I've also done that. It's not very good either. So it's just one of those things, you can't put it on the stove and just leave it. You have to attend to it the whole time. All right, moment of truth. Isaac says dump the whole thing. Should I listen to him?
Yeah.
Too late now. No turning back.
That looks really good.
That does look really good. I think I'm gonna stop before we get burnt.
So yeah, do not put the chocolate elements in until it is brown because you cannot tell.
You can also start telling when it's ready by the smell. It starts smelling like toffee. You smell it? Mm-mm. Ooh, look at all that goodness.
Man, I can't tell if it's like the chocolate or if it looks burnt.
I think it's the chocolate.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so Isaac made a good suggestion. He said let's put it in a glass container. Ooh, that's actually hot. And take our milk frother just to make sure that the element is totally dissolved in there because I can still see some bits of it. And then we have these adorable little silicone molds. So we have these little robots. We have, our kids love dinosaurs, so we have little dinosaurs.
What child does not?
That's true.
Who amongst us does not like dinosaurs?
So we got these from Amazon. We'll link them below. They have a million different options, but they have worked really well with these specifically. And then pro tip, you're gonna wanna make sure that you put the silicone molds on a flat surface tray because whenever you fill these up, they're really flimsy and obviously the liquid is not formed yet, so the tray keeps everything nice and steady, and then you can stick it in the fridge and let it chill for about 30 minutes or however long it takes to harden, and then we will pull them out and try them on camera and let you know if they're good or not. So
We have these little droppers that came with the molds, but it doesn't get like the bottom little bits.
Yeah, you want to make sure you
get
get all those bits, because that's
what makes it.
That's the good
I don't
stuff.
think the element's like fully mixing in, and so the bottom's going to be more chocolatey and the top's going to be buttery. So we'll probably just use a spoon instead of the droppers. But look at that, it looks so cute. I think we're going to try a bunch of the carnivore recipes that we've seen online. Some of them look good, and some of them look don't look the best. You can't knock it until you try it. So who are we?
That's true.
Who are we to say they're not good? You see people making like carnivore donuts out of blended chicken. It's just like, come on, man. Yeah.
So if you have any carnivore recipes, viral carnivore recipes that you want us to try, you've seen on TikTok or Instagram or whatever, please comment
Send them
below.
our way.
Like send us a link to the video so we can see it and get the recipe ourselves. And we are going to attempt to make those and try them and rate them. We have, since our 100-day update video, if you watched that, I mentioned that I can't tolerate eggs still. I've started reintroducing eggs. I'm not having any reaction. So we're definitely like ready to start branching out and trying new things. So drop a comment with a link to a viral carnivore recipe that you've seen. We want to try it.
Even if it's a weird one.
Yeah, like the weirder the better, actually.
Yeah, I want to try a weird one.
Okay, so here we go. We're gonna put these. Well, do you want to do the honors? Little Holly Homemaker over here, his cute little mermaid apron.
Dude, I rock this apron.
All right, now the true test is, can you find room in the fridge?
Gotta move my daughter's grapes. This is it.
The moment of truth.
The moment of truth. Which one are you gonna get?
I think I'm gonna do a little robot.
I'm gonna do a Triceratops because that is our son's favorite, and I broke it, so he's gonna be so sad. I'm gonna do half of a Triceratops. So,
all right.
Little Triceratops. Oh, you got a big one. Robots are fat. If you don't like it, you're gonna be grossed out. Right. You ready?
Cheers. I'm waiting for your reaction so I can say mine.
So at first it tasted no different. Like the initial hit, I was like, this tastes exactly the same. And as soon as I thought that, by the middle, I was like, oh, I can taste, the element didn't mix in really well. It's just kind of grindy, so I'm chewing the chocolate element, but it tasted really good.
It is really good.
Chocolate element. Then by the end, it was like full chocolate in your mouth. But it was like full chocolate element powder in your mouth. It didn't.
I don't think it
didn't mix.
Dissolve it.
It didn't dissolve. So I wonder if we should have blended it. I don't know how you can get it dissolved because it dissolves in liquid.
Yeah, we'll probably try that again.
That was good though.
That was really good. Like I would say, I'm gonna go for an egg this time.
That was not bad. You keep getting the big ones, dude. Oh wait, the egg ones are little.
No, that was really good.
Yeah, I liked it.
Like initially, you're right. Just the regular butter candy flavor, and then at the end, the chocolate hit me, and I was like, that's good. A whole stick of butter made half of a mason jar. So we're not kidding when we say it really...
It doesn't make a lot.
Yeah, it doesn't make a ton, but these will last us for a while, and they're just a nice treat if you just want something after dinner, after a meal or something. You just need a little treat. You can pop a couple of these. They're super good. And fun fact, I did not know this, but I learned this from the comment section of one of our videos. Several people were saying that butter actually helps with constipation. So
I know that.
If you're struggling with constipation on the carnivore diet, which some people do, these will definitely make it easier.
It helped Kate get into ketosis faster.
Absolutely.
I got into ketosis pretty easy, but it took her a little bit longer, and butter helped.
We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Go watch our 100-day update.
Yep.
See you later. It's yummy.
Chew it. Tell us what you think.
What do you think, Maddox? Look at that
thumbs
face.
Up or thumbs down? Thumbs up?
What do you think, Valen?
I don't like
You like it? Valen likes it.
I don't like it.
All right, I'll take yours.
Valen. Thumbs up or thumbs down? What does it taste like?
Down. It tastes like butter and I hate it.